Good morning, my name is Mike, this is Think Video, and if you are here, then you are probably thinking of using video to generate more business. I hope that's why you're here, because that's why I'm making these videos. And I'm here just to show you that making a video is not that hard. I mean, I'm out walking my dog, I don't even have a microphone attached, I'm just chatting into this GoPro. Well, Insta360 Go 3, because I'm testing it at the same time. And let's chat about what you need to do today. Now, first things first, you don't actually have to make a video to use video to drive more traffic to your business. All you really need to do is start commenting on videos of people in your niche. So as long as you've got your username picked out and it's a half decent related to what your business is, and your graphic, which is over here or over there, I'm not too sure which, make sure that it's your logo or you're related to your business. And then find businesses in your niche or people that are doing something similar and just comment. Be polite. Don't try and drive people to your channel yet, because if you haven't made a video as well, what's the point? Just mention, oh, I do this too, or that's my favorite thing to do, or thanks to the tip, etc., etc., etc. Now that should apply to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, whatever other channels you're kind of following other businesses on. So it's not exactly specific to one version, and it also applies to Twitter and Threads and every other social media aspect out there. Just go comment. You don't have to make content, just comment. And eventually people will realize that you're in the industry, and if you say something smart or witty or engaging, well, they'll start following you too, and bingo bango, you've created more followers that way before you've even created that first piece of content. So that would be step one. Well, actually more like step three, after you start getting all your ducks lined up in a row with everything else, with the logo creation and the header and all that fun stuff. Oh, looks like I got friends. This may all sound super simplistic, but really, it's not rocket science. That's what makes this so, to me, a no-brainer. And when you see businesses out there that aren't using any kind of social media or commenting or doing anything like that, I wonder, how are they going to survive? Because you know what they say, a sign with no business is a sign of no business. You know, a business with no sign is a sign of, let's do that again. You know what they say, a business with no sign is a sign of no business. So if you're relying on simply the hope factor to drive traffic to your business, like to your website or to your phone, well, hope isn't a strategy. Hope is hopeless. So I just caught up with those three runners again, and I caught them having a pee break, and I made some comment about, is this like free content for their OnlyFans account? It's a good thing they laughed, because I didn't want to get beaten up. Alright, back to this camera review.